Your grace for me will always be more than enough, more than enough. The power of Jesus Christ in me is more than enough, more than enough. Because my heart is full and my soul is free. In my weakness you had a plan for me, and I can't stop singing about your love. No, I can't stop singing about your love. Jesus, forever you will be more than enough, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. Oh, 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 oh.
You will provide, you will supply more than enough, more than enough. Got open heaven, open wide, more than enough, more than enough. Because my heart is full and my soul is free. In my weakness you had a plan for me, and I can't stop singing about your love. No, I can't stop singing about your love. Jesus, forever you will be more than enough, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. Oh, oh,
Some months ago now, back in the wintertime, I was informed that Rebuild America was coming here. And of course we had to figure out, well, what is Rebuild America? Rebuild America has helped us physically in the sense that our youth playground here has been completely changed. From grass way up high to a beautiful, nice place. Our rectory over here has been enhanced and helped by 2 roof tarrings that we really needed. What has happened to us is that we have learned from other Christians how we can be better Christians. What this has done for us is that it has made it possible for people in this community to really begin to appreciate each other. But you folks, you wonderful folks from Richmond, have made it possible for us to really remember what charity means. Charity is giving, and it's giving without looking for something in return. That you made faith and hope and charity something practical, something that is tangible.